Selling resin art does not have to be hard. I see so many resin beginners out there struggling to put their art out there. So your girl decided to create a platform for resin beginners just like you looking to make resin art just like this. The number one thing I feel a lot of resin beginners are struggling with is social media and how to promote their products. So your girl got to work and master the art of learning how to utilize social media as a tool to market my resin products. And when I tell you I've learned a lot, I've learned a lot. One day I made a total of $700 in one day selling my resin art. I've gotten so many message requests of people wanting to buy my art and I can't even keep up with it. This is why there's room for all of us and I'm here to teach you everything that I know. And if you're interested, comment I'm interested below and sign up to my waitlist. Badass resin ideas to sell? I got you. Resin has become so popular here on TikTok and everybody is wanting to sell or either make it. So I'm a professional resin artist and I decided to make a platform catered to resin beginners who's just starting out and want to make cool resin art just like this but don't know where to begin. Now I'm sure you're somebody who's probably been thinking about resin ideas to sell. So we hand make these cute accessories that are essential for everyday use and people love them. So when we noticed how well they started to sell, we decided to create our own gift shop business within my own home that then turned into a successful business. So our masterclass is going to teach you all of the resin art that we make step by step. We're also going to be teaching you how to go viral here on TikTok with your product. So if this is something that you really want to learn, comment I'm interested down below.
Are you down to create resin art like this? If you're a resin beginner and are struggling to create art such as this, we're in the middle of creating a masterclass. We will be teaching you everything we've learned over the course of years working with resin. Our masterclass will take you from beginners to a pro within weeks of learning what took us years to learn and master ourselves. And if you can't work with resin because you're allergic, we will be teaching you how to create art like this without the need of using resin as well. So we created a successful gift shop business that does really well in sales. I love making beautiful art that people can enjoy and makes them feel good. But if I'm being honest, there's a huge demand for art like this and sometimes it's hard to keep up with orders. Which is why I decided to create this masterclass. So many people believe we can't or shouldn't sell the same art, but I'm here to tell you that's a huge lie. There's room for all of us to win and I'm here to change the narrative. So if you want to learn, comment I'm interested.